charge multiple devices in your car at the same time and you want a great wired charger, there are 3 excellent options. If you want the most power possible, then the Roadrest 200-watt charger is the way to go. You can charge 2 separate laptops at 100 watts each simultaneously with this charger. There's also a USB-A port to charge a 3rd device, but that does eat into some of that 200 watts. Just make sure you check your car's max wattage before trying to use the full 200 watts so you don't blow a fuse. The Basis 160-watt charger is a great alternative if your car doesn't support the full 200 watts. This will still give you 100 watts through the top USB-C port and 30 watts each for the other 2 ports. If you don't need that huge amount of power, then I recommend the Worcer's 90-watt charger. This can charge 2 Samsung devices at up to 45 watts each. The Worcer's charger also comes with 2 USB-C to C cables, so you don't have to buy your own. But if you want the smallest possible charger, then the Mr. Glass charger is the one for you. The one trade-off with this being so incredibly small is that it'll only charge your Samsung devices at up to 25 watts, which is still pretty quick, but not quite as fast as the 45-watt charging that you get with the other 2 chargers. And since this is so compact, it'll actually sit completely flush in some of your cars depending on how deep your port is. And that's why there's a metal handle that folds out, so you can actually pull it out of the socket once it's in.